Hey, hi, this is Naveen. Today I'm explaining about what is meant by Salesforce, and each organization will use few set of applications to automate their business processes. And applications using by the organizations to automate the business process has been categorized into two types of. One is on-premise application and second one is on-demand application. First of all, I'm explaining about what is meant by on-premise application. On-premise means it requires the pre-installation of the application, like software into our local device before its uses. For example, laptop, desktop, mobile, smartphone. Both when they are using these devices, on-premise applications are required because of installation is required. Now I'm explaining about on-demand application. It's an cloud application. It doesn't require any pre-installations. We can access the cloud application just by using browser and internet connection. We don't need any applications when we are using on-demand applications. It's an cloud application. Now I'm explaining cloud computing. And one thing, to automate the business process of an organization, we need buy the license of required softwares. In the previous years, they buy number of softwares and also servers investing huge of amount and also affected by the all organizations. First of all, they are buying the licenses required softwares and investing the huge amount of servers. When this implemented cloud computing, to avoid this investment, we are using the cloud computing. And I'm explaining about cloud computing. And it's it provides the various approaches to access each IT services over the internet by using any device and paying the rental amount to the vendor. Like, by using the cloud computing, we can access servers, storages, databases, networking software, analytics, and more over the internet. And now I'm explaining about the cloud computing. Uses of cloud computing. No upgradation cost, no no pre-created softwares to install, stream audio and video, deliver software on demand. And benefits of cloud computing. First benefit is cost, speed, and performance, and also reliability. First one is cost. When we are using this cloud computing, eliminates the capital expense of buying hardware and software, setting up and running on-site data centers. Like, when we are using this cloud computing, eliminate the capital expense of buying hardware and software setting up and running on-site data centers. And second one is speed. Most cloud computing services are provided self-service and on-demand. So even waste amount of computing resources can be provisioned in minute provisioned in minute. And performance, the biggest cloud computing run on a worldwide network of secure data centers which are regularly upgraded to the latest generation of fast and efficient computing hardware. And reliability, cloud computing makes the data backup, disaster recovery, and business continuity easier and less expensive because data can be mirrored at multiple redundant sites on the cloud provider's network. And I'm explaining about classifications of cloud services. First one is SaaS, and second one is PaaS, and third one is infrastructure. Okay, most cloud computing services fall into three broad categories. These are sometimes called the cloud computing stack. And first one is SaaS, second one is PaaS, and third one is IaaS. So I'm explaining about SaaS. SaaS means software as a service, and when the customer are accessing the ready-made applications on rental basis, when the customers are accessing the ready-made applications on rental basis, then it is called as software as a service. Software as a service is a method for delivering software application over the internet on demand and typical on a subscription basis. And second one, PaaS. PaaS means platform as a service. When the customers are accessing the development platform on rental basis, then it is called as platform as a service. Second thing, and second point is PaaS supply an on-demand environment for developing, testing, delivering, and managing software applications. And third one, infrastructure as a service, IaaS. IaaS means infrastructure as a service. When the customers are accessing the server resources on rental basis, then it is called as infrastructure as a service. With IaaS, you are rent IT infrastructure, servers and virtual machines, storage, networks, operating systems from a cloud provider on a pay as you go basis.